If you've been making tutorial videos, marketing videos, or social media clips, you've probably seen both Tella and Canva mentioned as screen recording tools. They both let you record your screen, but they serve two different purposes. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Tella and Canva, features, pricing, ease of use, and which one is best for your workflow. And if you decide to try Tella, I've included a link in the description so you can sign up and get started for completely free, and it will help to support the channel. Now let's dive in. What is Canva Screen Recorder? Canva Screen Recorder is part of Canva's all-in-one design platform. It lets you record your screen, webcam, or both, then edit directly on Canva's timeline with all your design elements. To get access to Canva's Screen Recorder, all you need to do once you have created your Canva account, you can select whichever one of the designs. So you can tap on this design, for example. Once you're on the editor page or the design page, as you can see here, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, hover over Uploads, then you're going to see the option Record Yourself. After selecting Record Yourself, you can see you have three different options: record a talking head, record voiceover, generate AI video. If we were to select record a talking head, after tapping on that option, from there you can see, so this is a good option if you would like to create presentation. You can also choose the microphone that you would like to use. You can also select the camera you would like to use. And if it is a case that you would like to record your camera and screen, you can select camera and screen right here. Then you can select the screen that you would like to use. Then you'll tap on share and you can see how it looks. So I can continue recording right here. And if I were to go back to the first page, you can see how it looks right here. So this is a good option if you would like to create presentations for example's sake, or if you have a limited budget and you just want a quick voice or screen recorder. While on the other hand, what is Tella Screen Recorder? Tella is a browser-based and app-based screen recorder that allows you to not only record your screen but also camera. It is perfect for creators, SaaS teams, and educators who want to make professional branded videos fast. You will be able to record your screen, webcam, or slides right in your browser if you want. As you can see, you'll just go onto tella.tv and they do offer a free trial period. You'll tap on record in the top left hand corner and you can start recording, or you can install the app. And it works both on Windows and Mac device. And I would recommend you get the app as it offers more features and it is easier to use. That's my personal opinion. With Tella, you'll be able to instantly edit clips, trim, rearrange, and add transitions. For example, if we were to go into Tella's editor, you can change the layout, and by layout I simply mean the design right here. By tapping on layout from the right hand column, I can select a different layout. You can see you have numerous options you can select from. So you can select whichever one of these layout options you'd like to use, as you can see right there. You can also change the background by selecting BG. You could select a different background, or you can upload the background. When it comes on to editing, if we were to select cut in the top right hand corner, you can either choose to use the AI features to find mistake, remove buffer words, silence, and fillers, or you can edit it just like what you'll do with a Google Docs. By tapping on transcript, you can select where you'd like to edit. So let's say I would like to remove this sentence. I can simply select the sentence, or I could select the word, for example's sake. So let's say right here. After I've done that, I can tap on delete. And just like that, you'll be able to edit your videos just like what you'll do a Google Doc. So it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and I would say it is perfect for tutorials, demos, onboarding videos, and explainers, as it also offers numerous sharing and downloading options. You can choose to download it as an MP4 in either HD or 4K, or you can choose to share it. By tapping on share, you'll be able to get a link, which you can also add a password if you want, and you can also embed it onto your website or share it via email or convert it to GIF. So in conclusion, which one would I recommend you choose? If you're looking for something that offers performance and ease of use, I would recommend that you go with Tella. If you are planning to record tutorials, product demos, or SaaS videos, I'll recommend you go with Tella. Also, if you want a quick browser-based workflow and you value easy editing and instant link sharing. While on the other hand, I would recommend you go with Canva if you are creating marketing content, slides, or branded visuals, and you want your screen recordings to blend with your template and animations, and you already use Canva for social media or presentation. And if we were to check out the pricing of both platforms, with Tella, you can get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $26 per month and can go up to $39 per month. With Canva, you can also use it for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $12.99. And I've left links in the description which will allow you to get started on Tella for completely free, and it will help to support the channel if you were to sign up. Thanks for watching.